The crowd. Drawn-out project management processes. There are 47 processes in the 5th edition of the PMBoK. Here is an explanation on one of them. Acquire project team. So the inputs to the acquire project team process are of course your plans, and that namely is your human resource management plan. And you can even go further and extend it to other things in the project management plan. But essentially you have your HR management plan as well as the environment in which you work in, and that is your enterprise environmental factors. So things such as do you use contract workers? Do you not? How do you get these project team members? What's tradition? As well as the organizational process assets. Those could be forms you must fill out, or templates that you might follow, or just organizational procedures that might be in place. Now, the tools and techniques to acquire a project team are numerous, but in a general fashion, what you have to deal with is you look at some pre-assignments. There might be pre-assignments already given to you. You might not have any choice but to take some of them that are already assigned to you or known, and maybe you want those pre-assigned. And sometimes you need to negotiate for additional resources or a different skill set, or maybe not to have a certain team. Then, of course, from there, not really from there, but an additional tool and technique is to go about the acquisition of various team members, and that actually is the act of going out, getting them maybe through third parties, maybe from internal teams, maybe you're also getting in virtual teams involved. That could be remote workers, we sometimes refer to them as. And of course there might be some multi-criterial decisions, so you might analyze it based on many conditions, not just one particular condition. Now the outputs to the acquire project team, well, of course, will be your team, and that team needs assignments. So you're going to have project staff assignments. So essentially what they're going to be working on, what they're going to be doing, what you're going to have them perform. And the team that you're working on or with need to be updated in the plans, the project management plan overall. So it could even include the training, it could include the quality and costs, of course, because based on who you have, and that also may have to have an update on the resource calendars, because when are you using them, how often are you using them, and that could also impact other